Absolutely, the city of Ayodhya is all decked up for Ram Navami, the first ever after the consecration ceremony. And remember how people were so excited to get one glimpse of the idol of Ram Lalla in January earlier this year. And it feels like deja vu today, as today it also feels like people are in fact waiting to see a glimpse of Surya Tilak. I'm joined by a lot of people here. On my left hand side are people. This man has come from Canada. They have come from United Kingdom. But firstly, let me speak to the a man who in fact is the pujari of Ram Mandir. He has done puja of the Ram Lalla. क्या कुछ आज पूजा चल रही है, 12:15 बजे क्या अहम होने वाला है?
बिल्कुल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपके सारे दर्शकों को सादर जय श्री राम। मैं आचार्य करुणानिधान, आप जितने लोग इसको देख रहे हैं सबको सादर जय श्री राम। अयोध्या धाम, जय अयोध्या धाम। सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि रामलला का जो पूजन का जो प्रोसेस था, सबसे पहले रामलला का प्रातःकालीन 3 बजे से रामलला का दिव्य पूजन किया गया और रामलला का पहले जो है अभिषेक किया गया। अभिषेक में रामलला का दूध से पया, घृत, मधु, शक्कर, चीनी, इन सारी चीजों से अभिषेक होने के बाद जो है ना रामलला को सुंदर वस्त्र आभूषण पहनाए गए। यहाँ आपको जानकारी के लिए बता दें, रामलला की टोटल 4 प्रतिमाएं हैं। एक तो प्रतिमा बड़ी बनी ही है, लेकिन जो पुराने समय से जिन प्रतिमा का रामलला का पूजन हो रहा हो, सबसे पहला प्रतिमा राम जी का, दूसरा प्रतिमा भरत जी का, तीसरा लक्ष्मण जी का और चौथा शत्रुघ्न जी का। इन चारों प्रतिमाओं का आज दिव्यता के साथ, भव्यता के साथ अभिषेक किया गया। अभिषेक करने के बाद सुंदर वस्त्र आभूषण पहनाए गए और वर्तमान समय में बस अब कुछ ही देर बचे हैं, लगभग आई थिंक 30 मिनट के अंदर भगवान का जन्म कराया जाएगा, भगवान की आरती की जाएगी। और सबसे विशेष आज जो भगवान की पहली आरती होने वाली है ना, वो फूल से आरती हुई, क्योंकि बालक सौम्य रूप में है, रामलला तो सौम्य रूप में है, इस वजह से रामलला की आरती पहली जो है फूल से ही की जाएगी।
सूर्य तिलक के बारे में हमें थोड़ा बताइए, क्योंकि लोग काफी एक्साइटेड है उसको देखने के लिए। 12:15 बजे क्या कुछ होगा?
बिल्कुल, जो सूर्य तिलक की आप बात कर रही हैं, रामलला के माथे पर यहाँ तिलक के रूप में 70 mm का ग्लास शीशा लगा हुआ है, जो सूर्य की किरणें साइंस की मदद से एक ऐसी प्रकार से लेयर तैयार किया गया है। मिरर लगाए गए हैं, टोटल 3 मिरर लगाए गए हैं, जिससे सूर्य की किरणें पीतल की धातु में पड़ते हुए डायरेक्ट जो गर्भगृह में पड़ेगा, गर्भगृह से सीधे सीधे रामलला के माथे पर जाकर वो तिलक पड़ेगा, तो ऐसा प्रकाश उससे निकलेगा, उसी को सूर्य तिलक।
It will be a sight to behold. In fact, I'm joined by people who have come from Canada and also from UK. आज रामनवमी है। रामनवमी जो consecration ceremony के बाद पहली बार है, क्या कुछ चल रहा है दिल में जब आप गए थे दर्शन?
Yeah, actually when I saw Ram Lalla very first time, I was speechless. I was like literally crying in front of Lalla idol. I was in Sanctum actually a couple of times. I am here since last 3-4 hours. So now the Surya Tilak will be going on, but I'm not sure whether I will be getting now to get into the
Right. People will be going in to just witness Surya Tilak.
Akanksha, we'll keep coming back to you for those live reactions, but we also spoke with the designer Manish Tripathi, who prepared the priceless and magnificent wardrobe that Ramlala is wearing today. Listen in to him speak about what we are witnessing.
What have you designed for the god? As you're saying, you are God's designer.
No, I would not. I'm not saying. I'm saying it's that what people are saying now. But yes, obviously, being the most special day, and after 500 years, God will be celebrating Ram Navami in Mandir. So the poshak has to be special, very special instead. So we have kept in mind there are few principles which we have we are adhering to, which is the motifs will be all Vaishnav motifs. So like Shank, Chakra, Mayur, Gada.
What is the color of the outfit?
Obviously it's yellow because it's Pitambar was भगवान का जन्मोत्सव है, तो पीला ही पहनेंगे भगवान. It is combined with a nice pink color and the motifs are in lotus. Rest I would leave it to you to, and along with all the Shraddhalus we will watch, have God's darshan.
Now, Arun Yogiraj, who made the idol of Ram Lalla, is also in Ayodhya with his family to witness the Divya Surya Abhishek. We spoke to him as well. Listen in.
पहली बार हमने प्रतिष्ठापन के बाद अयोध्या आया है। इस बार मैं पूरा फैमिली को लेकर आ चुका हूं और कल रात हमने पहला दर्शन करके आया था और मेरा माता, मेरा वाइफ, बच्चे सब खुशी हो गए, क्योंकि ये सब पहली बार देख रहा था और हम लोग बहुत मेरा फादर को मिस कर रहा था। उस वक्त हमने दर्शन करवा रहा था, क्योंकि प्रतिष्ठापन के बाद हम मिल नहीं पा रहे थे, जा नहीं पा रहे थे अंदर क्योंकि बहुत भीड़ थे। कल मेरा फैमिली को दिखाया, बहुत मेरा माँ शी इज़ वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज मैंने काम किया है। और कल हम लोग पहली बार ये प्रतिष्ठापन के बाद रामनवमी मनाया जा रहा है। हमको बुलाए गए थे देखने के लिए और हमारा सौभाग्य सिर्फ हमको इंतज़ार है कल कैसा रहेगा। और आज भी एक सरयू नदी के पास फैमिली के साथ आए थे और सिर्फ यही मानता हूँ, यही दुआ करता हूँ सब पूरा देश को राम का आशीर्वाद मिले और देश राम राज जल्दी जल्दी बने।
It's the first Ram Navami after consecration ceremony. Everything is building up to the special attraction today, which is the visual wonder that will be the Surya Tilak or Surya Abhishek. On every Ram Navami from now on, Mandir's Garbhagriha will be illuminated by the sun's rays. Intricate mechanism have been devised to redirect the sun rays at around noon when the sun reaches its zenith in such a way that they fall on the forehead of Ram Lalla and form a 75 mm size tilak. Let's take you through the process as to what we are going to witness in some time from now. Let's take a look at what the process is in place. Sun rays will grace Ram Lalla idol today at around 12:16 p.m. That's the muhurat when the Surya Abhishek will happen. Surya Tilak will be projected on the forehead of Ram Lalla at around noon. So today is Ram Navami, the first Ram Navami after the consecration, and the Surya Tilak is happening. Rays will fall on the forehead of the 51-inch statue. It will form a 75 mm Surya Tilak, as was being explained by the priests as well. The sunlight will form a circular tilak for about 4 to 5 minutes on the forehead of Ram Lalla. Let's also explain the mechanism which is in place. Now, this symbolizes, Surya Tilak symbolizes Suryavanshi. Suryavanshi because Lord Ram is a descendant of sun. Hence the Suryavanshi and hence the significance of applying the Surya Tilak on the forehead. Special mechanism is in place to redirect the sunlight with the help of mirrors, lenses and pipes. The sunbeams will be redirected on the forehead of Ram Lalla. That's when you will witness the wonder, the Surya Abhishek or the Surya Tilak ceremony. This is the apparatus or the optomechanical system which has been placed inside the temple to redirect the sunbeam on the forehead of Lord Ram. At around noon, Surya Tilak will be performed, and this is a mechanism which is in place with the help of which you will in fact witness the wonder of the forehead of Ram Lalla, which will be illuminated with the help of redirecting the sunbeam. Special mechanism is in place to divert the sun rays. How exactly is it going to work? And here is a description of what is going to happen. With the help of pipes and lenses, reflectors and mirrors, the sunlight will be deflected in such a way that it falls directly on the forehead of Ram Lalla. Sun rays will first hit the mirror on the 3rd floor in this apparatus which has been placed, and from there going through multiple lenses and pipes, it will go through this brass pipe to the 2nd floor. From here, as you can see in the graphics in the diagram of this apparatus, it will go through 2 more deflections, will reach the ground floor, and from here it will be projected, or rather it will shine on the forehead of Ram Lalla. After 3 deflections, the rays will illuminate Ram Lalla's forehead, and this is something that will be done on every Ram Navami. And like I said, Lord Ram is a Suryavanshi, he is a descendant of sun, and that's why the significance of this entire ceremony, the Surya Tilak ceremony that is being performed. Now, the anticipation and zeal to celebrate Ram Navami in Ayodhya is hardly limited to India. We spoke to people who have come from Manchester in the UK for the pious occasion. Listen in.
इस रामनवमी पे सिर्फ देश के अलग अलग हिस्सों से नहीं बल्कि विदेशों से भी लोग आए हैं। वो लोग जो सदियों से दूसरे देशों में रहते हैं, उनकी पीढ़ियां भले ही देश की हों लेकिन वो बाहर पैदा हुए, विदेशों में पैदा हुए, वो भी यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं। और ऐसे ही कुछ भक्त हमारे साथ हैं। You are from?
We're from the UK, from Manchester.
From Manchester.
Yeah.
When do you come here?
It's been about 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
About 2 weeks ago.
For the darshan of Ram Lalla only?
Well, we came down for the Anjar Utsav in Gujarat. So we had a big Utsav in Anjar. And then we've come up here for Ayodhya darshan, and then also we got Hari Jayanti in Chapaya later on in the evening. So we come for that.
How do you feel here?
Yeah, we feel at home. This is my home anyway. He comes.
How do you like that?
No, it's amazing. I was born in the UK.
Okay.
So it's great to see the temple. We've seen it online, but we've not seen it in real person.
We came
Now
yesterday.
to see it in real life is going to be amazing.
You had a darshan there?
Yeah, we did.
We did yesterday. We came today again.
But with the event coming so close to the elections, one cannot ignore the political aspect. And on your screens, we're playing out visuals, multiple visuals of the preparation which is underway. You can see the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, in one of the visuals. The puja there has begun. And on the other hand, images coming in of the temple, the countdown, of course, to Surya Tilak has begun. These are live visuals coming in of the Grand Ram Temple. Remember, in the month of Jan, the consecration ceremony was done. And this is the first Ram Navami that is being celebrated after the consecration ceremony. In just a few minutes from now, I believe, the process of the Surya Tilak ceremony will begin, when what you're going to witness is on display how science and Astha come together. Astha of millions of devotees of Lord Ram, and science which will help them realize that dream. The process of Surya Tilak ceremony will be witnessed by devotees of Lord Ram, when, with the help of science, with the help of mirrors, lenses, those brass pipes that have been placed as part of the optomechanical system inside the temple, the sun rays will be projected on the forehead of Ram Lalla. On the other hand, since it's the occasion of Ram Navami, you can also see the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh performing puja, and on the other hand, visuals coming in from the temple of the grand celebration of the first Ram Navami celebration after the consecration of ceremony.